Hi, I'm Charlie, and in this video, I'm going to share how to actually start digital marketing in 2024. What is digital marketing? Again, how anybody can do it, how I started in April 2024, and how I've generated over £80,000 from the simplest way possible. And in this lesson and on my channel, I always make everything as simple as possible, hence the Digital Wealth Simplified program. But in this lesson, I'm going to share how to actually start it. Again, you can do this with no experience whatsoever, how to sell digital products. So I'm just going to get straight into it. So a lot of people actually ask, what is digital marketing? And I'm going to essentially share what digital marketing is to me and how I've essentially labeled it in terms of the last 7 months as of recording this when I started digital marketing, and essentially so that you get a bit more information, how you can start it, what it is, just so you can get a better understanding essentially. So firstly, digital marketing, you've got your digital product, and if you don't know what a digital product is, that can perhaps be an ebook, a PDF, or an online course perhaps that either you've created or you buy and resell digital products, whatever it may be. Again, a really good example for this is perhaps an ebook. For example, on a Kindle, you can buy books, can't you? Essentially, they're digital products because you're not actually physically buying something in front of you to hold as a physical product. That's a digital product that you can buy online. Once you buy it, you get it sent straight to you so you can start watching it or reading it, whatever it may be. It's the same for a digital product in terms of this, an ebook, a PDF, a course, something that you're either creating or selling. There's either value in it, education, something that's going to help somebody go from A to B. Essentially, that is what a digital product is. Again, if you go on Etsy, there's hundreds and thousands of digital products on there. You'll see what I mean a bit, but if you don't worry, you're going to learn so much anyway in terms of what digital products are, how to sell it across all the videos on this channel. So what is digital marketing to me? You've got your digital product, and now you want to add social media and an audience to essentially get the big cash down at the bottom. So you've got your digital product. Now you need to be promoting this. So again, all I've ever done to promote is social media. I haven't paid for paid ads. I've done this free with organic content. I've never paid for ads to promote anything. So what I use is Instagram, TikTok. Again, you're watching this on YouTube, but I don't necessarily promote on here. This is all free advice and free value for anyone who wants to watch for free. But I'm always promoting on TikTok and Instagram twice a day. And I'm not just posting 2 times for the sake of it. I'm posting 2 times a day with either valuable content, inspirational content, or educational content, essentially giving people a reason to follow me and essentially become a lead or a sale in the end of it. Again, social media is your traffic. How to promote, really easy, absolutely free. Anyone can do it. Just record, post, talk about your digital products. It might sound really simple, but if you're promoting, people are seeing your products. If you're not promoting, no one's seeing anything. So as long as you're recording something, at least you're going to get more views than you would if you didn't promote anything. And then that adds to your audience. So again, your audience comes from social media. Even if you're stuck at 200 views, again, the last video, how to get out the 200 view jail, go and check that out. But you're still getting an audience, even if you're only getting 200 views. 200 people is a lot of people. If you're in a room with 200 people and they saw your video about your digital product, that's a lot of people. And eventually you want to build that. And even if it's 1,000 people, 1,000 people have come across your product. Yeah, they've not necessarily bought your product there and then, but at least people are seeing you promote and they're seeing your product. Because if you're posting 2 times a day, say you're getting 500 views a video twice a day, 1,000 people have come across your page, say you've got, 10 followers from it, you've got 10 more followers than you did the day before, and over a year, if you did that every single day, that's 3,600 followers by the end of a day. At the end of a year, that's a lot of people. And again, it's not a sprint; it's a marathon. And I found that out when I first started doing this and promoting. You've just got to be consistent with it every day. But as long as you've got a good product that solves a problem, somebody going from A to B. Perhaps you could be a fitness trainer and you want to take somebody who wants to lose weight, for example. You've taken them from A to B from your digital product. You can then share on social media how they've transformed using your product, and then you'll get a bigger audience of people from that. But again, if you don't have this and you don't have that, you won't necessarily get an audience because it just won't work essentially. But again, you've got your social media, you've got your audience, and I've put here as well your customers, because again, your audience will be your customers. People will come across your TikTok, Instagram page. They're all going to be essentially leads, because why are you promoting? Otherwise, are you just promoting for free? No, you want to get something out of it in the end. So obviously there's more to it in terms of your views, how to turn them into sales, but your audience essentially are going to be your sales further down the line, whether they've got your free guide and you've made them a lead, for example, and I'll do more videos on generating leads and how to turn a free product into a paid product, free customer into a paid customer. But in this case, you've got your audience. I've just made the screen a bit bigger, as you can see. But in this case, you just want to get your digital product out there. You want to be promoting on social media. You want to have an audience, because that is what diverts you to a sale, essentially. So that is what digital marketing is to me, and I'll go through it a bit more here. So you've got your digital product. You're promoting on social media. You're getting an audience. You're then going to your store. Then you're making a sale. So again, your store, I use Standstore for it. You can check the link in the description if you want to start Standstore for 14 days for free. Again, I'm not trying to make money out of this. That is literally all I use, Standstore, to promote and essentially hold my digital products. But that is what digital marketing is to me. But how to actually start, and I've just literally just put this as simple as possible. How to start is really simple. So again, you've got your digital product. Again, this can be something that turns something into something, taking somebody from A to B. You're helping somebody with their weight. You're helping somebody gain more money. You're helping somebody learn a new skill, perhaps that you've got and you're sharing online. You're educating people online. You've put this into a digital product that you can sell. You've created it once on Canva. You can sell for an uncapped amount for the rest of your life. But that's where it all starts out. You've got to create something. Again, there's branding and picking your niche and stuff. But if you want to learn more on that, click the link in my bio to the Digital Wealth Simplified program. You'll learn absolutely all of that. In terms of starting, you want to have a digital product, essentially. What are you knowledgeable in? What have you got experience in? Put that together in a niche and put a product together in that. And then essentially go to social media. Whatever you're really knowledgeable in, whatever you're really educational in, just post about it online, because I guarantee you there's something you know that I would pay to know, or there's something I would love to learn that you might know I don't have a clue on, but I'd love to know what it is. And again, that might be fitness journey. You might know how to gain muscle really quickly or to lose weight. I'm sold, essentially. So if I come across your video, I only came across your video because you're promoting. If you're not promoting, no one's going to see it. If you're promoting, at least people will see it, is the main thing to take out of this. Then with social media, you want to be building relationships, and I don't mean get a girlfriend, get a boyfriend from your social media. I mean, amazing if you do. But in terms of relationships, I want you to essentially, as soon as someone follows you, always checking on them, saying hi, because you wouldn't, if somebody walked into, what's an example, say, I saw this on somebody else's YouTube video actually. If you had a coffee shop, for example, and someone walked in, you wouldn't just not say anything to them. You would say, hi, how you doing? What can I get you, for example? Or what are you doing here? Or just making conversations. So when someone follows you, why aren't you messaging them? Or why aren't you making sure like they're okay, or what do they need help with, or what coffee would they like? Do they want to try a free sample? Whatever it may be, you're always making conversation. So as soon as someone follows you from your social media, always check up on them, just say, hey, what brings you to, I don't know, the fitness social media world, or whatever it may be. Always send a message just to sort of welcome them, build a relationship, say, okay, and sort of resonate with them. Amazing, I actually want to learn this or that. Have you ever thought about digital marketing? Whatever it is you're selling. Just always building relationships with people, and always sort of trying to get on their level so that you can relate with them, and essentially either sell something to them or just to get them as a lead, essentially. Once you've built them as a relationship, again, try and get them to your store. So on your store, you might have a free product on there, and again, that could essentially, they could download, thumbs up, they could download your free product. They've given you your email address. You can then do email marketing with that. All you want to do eventually from all of this is make them become a lead, at least, not a sale. Again, a lead is really important. If they've downloaded your free guide, you've got their email address. You can now promote to them forever across emails, and I really highly advise building up your email list before making any sales. Again, promote everything you can for free when you're first starting out. Build up your email list, get loads of leads, so that when you've got a new product coming out, you can send an email out saying, hey, new product's out, this is going to take you from A to B, and then all the people you've built relationships with and who's become a lead, that will then get to eventually end in a sale. So, and it always does. It does in any business model. If you're given something for free, again, if you go into your local supermarket and you try a free sample, you like it, you'll go and find it in the shop to go and buy it. So it's the same with business. If there's a free product and you really liked it, and again, it's really helped me over this whole duration of digital marketing and the side hustle. loads of free guides have been downloaded, and then it's eventually landed into a sale. So always make sure you're getting them as a lead at least, because that will turn them into a sale one way or another. So this is how I would start digital marketing, selling digital products, because that is how I started. And again, there's a free 1 hour course in the link in my bio if you want to go and check that out, a whole completely 1 hour course for free, or just follow the £97 Digital Wealth Simplified program, the exact steps I took to make over £80,000, 20 plus modules, 7 all for literally £97. So you can go and check that out. That's exactly how I started. Subscribe and like this video, it'd be much appreciated, and I will see you in the next one.